Hi friends, it's Miss Kelsey. Today I'm going to show you how we make Play-Doh, just like the Play-Doh we use during table time. Here it is, and here's how to make it. I hope you will make it too. Hi friends, thanks for watching me make Play-Doh. Here's the finishing result. Nice and blue. If you like, you could also add some sprinkles or sparkles to it. And sometimes you can add glycerin, which will make it a little more shiny and stretchy. Well, I hope you have fun making Play-Doh. I'll see you next time. Bye!